Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the famous Italian words to say thank you very much. This is pronounced Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Now, what about the etymology? Well, the literal translation of mille, the second part, just means 1,000. A bit like 1,000 thanks, if you will. But what about grazie? What does it actually mean? It's the plural version of the Italian word grazia, which kind of means grace. But the etymological origin of it is linked to the Latin gratus, which is the expression to convey the concept of gratitude. In fact, you can even see the stem in English. Gratitude, grazie. It's the same. So a more literal translation could be, I'm 1,000 times grateful. For the advanced learners and native learners that want to kind of work on their diction, what about the vowels? Well, of course, the e at the end, you could say it as an open e if you want, or you can close it into a e, grazie mille, which would be a bit more correct, but both are widely used in Italy. Make sure you don't pronounce it grazie or grazies, gracias, because that's kind of a mixture between Spanish and Italian. It is grazie. Zi e. Grazie. Mille. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.